friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to share a cake recipe with you. Eggless chocolate cake. This homemade cake is made absolutely eggless and is a moist and soft treat for kids and adults. This is a perfect cake for every occasion, be it a birthday, anniversary, or any celebration. Let's move on to our ingredients. The ingredients are take a bowl and sieve 2 cups of maida, half cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda and 2 teaspoon baking powder. Keep it aside. Take another bowl and blend together 3/4 cup sugar, half cup curd, half cup sunflower oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and half cup milk. Mix it well. Whisk until it is fluffy. Now gradually pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and whisk them together. Pour it in a greased cake pan. Tap the sides so that the extra bubbles are let out. Preheat the oven in convection mode to 170 degrees Celsius. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. Remove the pan from the oven and insert a toothpick in the center. Check whether it is fully cooked. You can also use a pressure cooker or heavy aluminum kadai for baking the cake. Using the kadai, add a cup of salt or sand in the heavy bottom kadai. Place a ring over it or on the cake stand. Cover and preheat the kadai on high heat for about 10 minutes. Transfer the batter to the baking dish. First bake it on high flame, then bake it on low flame and do not open the lid till 45 minutes. Do a toothpick test to check whether the cake is cooked. Now let the cake cool down. Cut it into 2 or 3 equal halves as required. Take the whipping cream powder and add 200 ml chilled milk. Beat it with electric beater for 4 minutes. Melt the dark chocolate by adding water. Add this melted dark chocolate to the whipping cream and beat it till the color turns to light brown. Keep this whipping cream frosting in refrigerator for about 45 minutes. For making sugar syrup, take 2 or 3 spoons of batter and add 2 tablespoons sugar. Place the first layer of the cake in the serving plate. Brush the sugar syrup on it. Spread the whipped cream frosting. You can also spread the melted chocolate over it. Now place the second layer and repeat the same process. Finally, apply a thick layer of whipped cream and melted chocolate on the top layer and also on the sides. After applying the thick layer of the whipped cream, now you can decorate the cake with the dark melted chocolate. You can apply it on the sides also as per your wish. You can decorate your cake with gems chocolate or any other chocolate shavings. Now take some whipping cream and on the sides of the cake also you can make a beautiful decoration as you like. Refrigerate this cake for 6 to 8 hours. Wow, now our yummy cake is ready for cutting it. We can cut it as per our requirement. So guys, what are you waiting for? Make your celebration a grand one by trying this cake recipe. We are sure everyone will enjoy it. It's so delicious and yummy.